How to change text-to-speech voice on TikTok. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in order to do that we just have to go on our TikTok app. Then from here you have to click on your plus icon which is at the bottom of the page in the middle. So here you can record a video or you can upload one. So I will just record a video. Click on the check mark button. And then from here you have to click on text and add your wanted text. So I will type change text to speech voice. So after that we have to click on this text and then click on text to speech. So it's the first option. After that you can also change the style of this text by clicking on edit. So you can change the style, click on this one. This one is cute as well. I will leave it to neon, and you can also change the color and make it bigger. Then click on next. And after that you can upload your video like you usually do. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope you liked this video and I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts, and if it doesn't work we can help you anytime. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.